Take a ride in the 2016 Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, sports suspension, ambient lighting, power brakes, braking assist, airbags, front knee. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.